Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and this is an AppSumo Black Friday special video. Black Friday season is officially here and AppSumo has kicked off its biggest sale of the year. If you've been waiting to stack your toolkit with powerful SaaS products without burning a hole in your wallet, this is the moment. From November 17th until December 1st, AppSumo is rolling out massive discounts on some of the most useful tools for creators, marketers, founders, and agencies. Every year, there are a few standout deals that end up becoming long-term staples in my workflow, so I always keep an eye on what drops during this event. And one of the early deals that immediately caught my attention this time is ClickRank, an SEO automation tool that promises to take the pain out of technical fixes and on-page cleanup. So before we get into the full tutorial, just know that this year's Black Friday lineup is stacked, the discounts are real, and if you're planning to invest in your business tools, this 2-week window is the best time to do it. You'll find a link to the full Black Friday collection on AppSumo below, where you can browse every deal as it drops. And if you want a curated list instead of sifting through dozens of products, I've also put together a blog post featuring my personal top picks from this year's AppSumo Black Friday lineup. Both links are in the description, so check them out when you're done with this review. Now let's talk about ClickRank. If you run a website or do SEO for your clients, you know the grind. You need to fix endless technical issues, you need to tweak meta tags, you need to clean up alt text, you need to push schema markup, and hope that Google actually rewards your effort. So when I came across ClickRank, I was honestly curious. It claims to automate a lot of these boring, repetitive tasks with just one click. And it does this by using your Google Search Console data and without you having to install any other heavy plugin. You can just add a small snippet to your site and it starts suggesting and implementing fixes automatically. I've been playing around with it for a while, and in this review I want to break down what it actually does, what works, what doesn't, and whether it's worth adding to your SEO toolkit. And like I said, ClickRank is currently available on a special Black Friday deal on AppSumo, so if this ends up being something you need, this is probably the cheapest it's ever going to be. Now before we get into a quick ClickRank tutorial, let me explain what's included in the ClickRank AppSumo deal. Right, this is the AppSumo Black Friday page, and this time instead of releasing all their tools at once, they're dropping curated lists every day until 21st. And the ClickRank deal is a part of the automation lineup. So the first drop was Video and Visual Studio, and the second drop was the SEO automation lineup. So when you click on this, you'll find the ClickRank deal here. And this is the ClickRank page. You'll also see this notification here which says that the price will increase in 6 days. This is at the time of doing this video. So right now it's available for $79, but you can expect the price to go up by $10 or $20 in the next 6 days. So if you really like this tool after watching this review, I would advise you to grab it right away. Now let's quickly examine the plans that AppSumo is offering on ClickRank. The basic plan goes for $79, where you can add one website to ClickRank, and for this website you can crawl 500 pages. Now the best part is you can do unlimited optimizations. Remember the one-click optimization that I told you about? You don't have any limit on that. You can do it for as many errors that you find on your website. You also have unlimited keyword research, and the crawl interval for all the plans is monthly. It's not daily or weekly like some of the other tools provide. With a tool like SEMrush, you can do a daily crawl, but with ClickRank, it's monthly, which is not that big of a deal unless you run a very big website where you do multiple changes every day. So this, in my opinion, is fine. Now the crawl limit is just 500 pages. So if you have a large website, you'll probably have to stack up more AppSumo codes. So if you're a heavy user, I would advise you to go with plan 2 or plan 3 or plan 4, depending on the size of your website and your usage pattern. With 2 codes, you can add 2 websites. With 3 codes, you can add 5 websites. And with 4 codes, you can add 8 websites. So if you run an agency, then it's probably better if you stack up as many codes as possible, depending on your predicted usage. Now let's compare these plans with the plans on their website. So on a regular day, these are the 3 plans that ClickRank offers. The basic plan is $59 per month, the second tier plan is $79 per month, and the agency plan is $399 per month. The basic plan here is very close to the basic plan on their website, with only one difference. Here with the basic plan, you can crawl 2000 pages. With the AppSumo basic plan, you can only crawl 500 pages. Everything else remains the same. But the main difference again is the pricing. If you go with the regular pricing, you have to shell $59 a month, which in my opinion is probably not really ideal if you are running a bootstrapped startup or if you're simply a solo blogger. So that's why this plan makes a lot of sense. If you're just starting out, one code will be enough for you. But if you are a seasoned blogger or a seasoned entrepreneur, then probably you would want to stack up more codes. So these are the plans that are on offer. And now we'll jump into a quick tutorial of ClickRank where I'll show you the basics of how it works. And based on that, you can decide whether you would want to go ahead with this Black Friday deal. Right, let's start the walkthrough. So this is the ClickRank dashboard, and first impressions, it's very minimalistic and it offers you all the reports and insights right on the dashboard. You don't have to go looking for different menu options to find vital information. Now, this is totally different from the tools that I use. I use SEMrush and Ahrefs almost on a daily basis at my agency. And ever since AI features were introduced, these tools have become cluttered. There's too much information on the dashboard, not much relevant information, and you really have to go through different menu options to find what you're looking for. Now, this is something that ClickRank doesn't suffer from. The moment you connect your Google Search Console, you'll get all of this data right on your dashboard, starting with the total number of clicks and impressions on your site, your average CTR, and your average position. Now, you can find this information on your Google Search Console, but all of this is arranged in a very neat manner. So I really like the minimalistic UI that ClickRank has, and it's very user-friendly. And you get this impression the moment you log in and connect your Google Search Console. So just to give you a quick overview of the dashboard, you'll see the vital matrix right here when you scroll down. You'll also see the performance trends graph. You will see the total number of clicks and impressions on your site over a period of time. You'll also see the website health on the side. This is something that we'll get into later, but it reflects the score that you have. In this case, it's 80%. So there's a lot of improvement that I can make to bring it at least up to 90 or 95 or even 100. Right below that, you will see the geographic performance widget. You'll see the top countries where you get the highest traffic. Right beside that, you have the keyword distribution widget where you'll see how your rankings are distributed, how they are placed in top 3, top 10 or top 50. Very critical information which you get right when you log into your dashboard. And right below this, you have perhaps the best feature in ClickRank. You have a bunch of reports that you have quick access to, and all of this data is fetched from your Google Search Console. So you can get your new keyword insights, you can see which pages have low CTRs, you can see top query per page, you can see a bunch of long tail keywords, and you can also see winners and losers in terms of keywords. You can see which keywords are rising and which keywords are falling, and you can act accordingly based on the data. Now, there's nothing unique about the data. You can find this information on Google Search Console, but if you use Google Search Console, you'll have to do a lot of manual work. You'll have to dig through different reports, you have to use filters to get exactly what you're looking for. But ClickRank reduces the hassle for you by using automation. All of these reports can be quickly downloaded, and you will get the essential data that you're looking for just by navigating to this section on ClickRank. So that's essentially what ClickRank does. It removes a lot of grunt work that is involved in Google Search Console and fixes all of that with automation. Now, to get started with ClickRank, you need to add your website, and you can do that by entering your URL and then verifying the website. There are two ways you can do it. You can either add a code snippet to the header of your website, or if you're using WordPress, you can simply download the ClickRank WordPress plugin and enter your API key. And the next thing you need to do is you need to connect your Google Search Console to ClickRank. This is the critical step. So once that is done, you will start getting these insights right on your dashboard. Now, the USP of this tool is one-click fixes for all your technical SEO hassles. You do that by going to your website audit, which you can find under SEO tools. Now, what this report shows is the technical SEO health of your website. It'll show you a score. In this case, it's 80%. So there is scope for improvement. This is the technical SEO health score of your website. And beside that, you'll see the total number of errors, warnings, and notices. Errors being the most critical. Now, if you want to improve the score substantially, then you'll have to fix the errors first before moving on to warnings or notices. Now, underneath this, you'll see some of the errors that are preventing you from getting a better score. So let me demonstrate how this works. So let's say there are 31 missing meta descriptions here. So when I click on this, it'll show me all the pages that don't have a meta description. Now let me pick one of the pages here that doesn't have a meta description. Let's say this social media marketing page. It's a category page which doesn't have a meta description. All I need to do is I need to click on this robot icon, and as you can see, a meta description has been added here. And if you're happy with that, you can just hit the confirm button. And just like that, you've added a meta description to your page. You don't have to go back to your site and add the meta description manually because it would have already been added by ClickRank. This is why the snippet is required. When you add the snippet to your site, that's when ClickRank gets that access to your website to make changes. Doesn't matter which plugin you're using, you may be using Yoast or Rank Math or any other plugin to add meta tags. It'll populate that particular plugin with the meta description. Similarly, you can go about fixing all the errors that you find here, and it has that magical one-click touch where you don't have to do anything. You can let automation do the thing for you, and you can go about fixing all the technical SEO errors on your website. So this is how the site audit feature works, and in my opinion, this is the USP of the tool, and this is what they are highlighting on the AppSumo page as well. They also have other useful features. There is an AI toolkit. Now, if you're a ChatGPT power user who has a lot of experience with using AI content tools, then there's nothing unique about the AI toolkit. It's a nice to have feature, but what differentiates this tool from other SEO automation tools out there is that it offers this one-click solution to all the technical SEO errors on your site. So to do that, you will have to go to website tools and click on website audit. And just like I showed you, you can go about fixing every minute technical SEO error on your website and improve the crawlability and indexability of your website. Now, another useful feature is the AI SEO agent here. You can just click on this and you can start chatting with it just like you do with ChatGPT or Claude. So there are these different options that you can choose from. Suppose you want a 30-day trend comparison, you can just click on this button. It'll do a thorough analysis of your website, and then it returns with a detailed report of your website, which will have key insights like decline in clicks. Suppose your site is also suffering from the same thing that my site is suffering from. This is something that we all suffer from in the AI age, unfortunately. You'll see the key insights, and then you'll see the recommendations to fix these problems, all in the chat box itself. So you can use the AI SEO agent to uncover critical insights on your website. So that's how ClickRank works in a nutshell. It's a highly useful technical SEO tool with a few AI features added in, but its key strength lies in automation, and you can go about making quick fixes to your website without worrying too much about the manual work or the grunt work that is typically involved with technical SEO work. So that was just a quick demo of how ClickRank works. Like I said, it's available in the automation section of the Black Friday lineup. If you found this tool useful, then I would highly recommend you grab it during the Black Friday sale. The price increases in about 6 days. So right now it's available for $79. The basic plan is available for $79. If you want more crawl credits, or if you want to add more websites, then you can stack up your codes accordingly. You'll find a link in the description for the ClickRank AppSumo deal, and you'll also find other links like my roundup of the best Black Friday deals at AppSumo, and I'll be updating it on a daily basis until the Black Friday event ends at AppSumo. So if you found this tutorial useful, do check out those links. And if you have any questions about ClickRank, be sure to drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching this ClickRank tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and be sure to check out the AppSumo Black Friday sale.